My name is Muhammad Faisal.
My name is Misho Mayra.
My name is Nasya Manda Putri.
My name is Felicia Nur Azizah.
My name is Kalin Malika.
Definition of analytical exposition text according to Analytical Dictionary. Analytical itself is an analytical way of doing something that involves the use of logical reasoning, or an analytical way of doing something that involves the use of logical reasoning. Meanwhile, according to dictionary, exposition is writing or speech primarily intended to convey information or to explain.
String general structure. General structure have various terms which can also be referred to as still ideas per subsection. What are the terms in general structure? See the expression below. 1. Orientation. This orientation can also be called an introduction or initial structure in the text. The introduction will give the reader idea of what the text contains. This orientation in the beginning of a story. 2. Events. Events are events raised in the text. 3. General classification. General classification contains the general theme or description of the event raised. 4. Deflection. This deflection will explain and complement the expression of the general classification. It is hoped that this deflection section can make readers understand more about the other expression. 5. General statement. A general statement in a general opinion usually this part is written by the author. So in this section, the author will explain his general opinion regarding the theme writing he is raising. 6. Collection. Collection can also be called a collection. This section is the collecting part of text section. That 7. Orders. Order terms that may appear in the general structure are abstracts. Argument, elaboration, explanation, incident, interpretation, issue, and reorientation.
How to make analytical exposition. 1. Thesis. Introducing the topic and your stand. 2. Arguments. Providing reason and examples to support your stand. 3. Restoration. Restating your main argument to emphasize your point.
Example, the title is Controlling Children Using Computer. Computer and Internet are useful as well as powerful. Information about health and safe usage of computer and internet, especially for children, should be owned by each family. Computer connected to internet is a powerful way to socialize with others. It can be good but also bad effect. Recently, we hear a lot of children get the advantage of social networking sites, but we often see the news about the disadvantage of it for children. Healthy and safety of computer and internet usage should continue to be campaign. The role of parent in assisting and directing children in using computer is very necessary. Installation of software monitors such as Keylogger, which has function to watch and note all activities relating to keyboard usage, is helpful but not enough to protect children from potential harms. Children tend to hide what they have done in front of the computer to their parents. They see that all of they have done are their privacy and no one may know. We cannot prevent children from using computer because it is multifunctional. However, many parents worry about what their kids do in front of the computer, whether they are doing homework or even just playing games or spending all time to surf internet internet, which is the materials do not fit with his age. There is a tendency, especially teenagers, when to become acquainted with many strangers outside. The lack parental supervision of children's activities is likely to pose a potential danger to them. So, parental monitor against the use of computers need to be done from time to time.
Understanding generic structure. Generic structure is a pattern or flow that is introduced in the idea mapping stage of a text. In short, this generic structure is needed to create the sentence pattern present in the subsection. Generic structure is agreed with the aim that a text can achieve its goals. Each text has a definite generic structure. For example, the generic structure connected in narrative text is defined from the generic structure in the report text. Generic structure of the narration text, namely orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation. The generic structure in the report text is title, generic classification, and description.